What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with Jason. Like, what? Why is it not focused? Today me and Jason are going to my tuner's house, our tuner's house. We're gonna go change out my pops.
Yes,
I'm not gonna be loud anymore. I want them to be more consistent like how I first got them, and I want to drive around with them. So let's get it. Let's go. Alright guys, I just dropped off Jason. Guys, we are literally at my tuner's house for like a cool 4 hours, dude. I'm not kidding you. What happened with the lights? Alright, so let me just try to explain this as quick as possible. So basically, I went over there just to go quiet down my pops, make my popcorn map more consistent, just fix my popcorn map basically. And after we did all that, you know, we got to talking business, talking you know, our plans for the cars and stuff like that. You know, just some simple talking. And basically all he did was just fix my popcorn map. But I didn't go test drive it right away because we started talking. He did it really fast. It was supposed to be an easy fast fix, and we ended up like talking for like hours and hours and hours. So this is what I basically went to go do. I'm gonna show you guys my popcorn map. I still have my old popcorn map, guys, the really loud one, but I also added this more quieter one, more consistent. Yo, what is up, you guys? So it is now like 2 days since you guys last saw me on the vlog, since the last clip. We were at my tuner's house. Not gonna lie, guys, my car feels amazing. My car feels, it pulls super strong. And yeah, guys, right now, where's the symbol at? Had to come to Young Starbucks. Had to get my white girl drink, you know, not me. Got the gap cam already set. So today we're actually going to be going to the homies. He's been in the channel before. His name is Nacho. Well, that's what I call him. He's the one with the built Rx7. Pretty sure you guys seen it on the channel before. It's been a while since he's made an appearance, so today we're gonna go over to his house and hopefully try to get a ride along. You guys already know I have to come to the car wash always. Dude, I literally live here. And look who showed up, guys. Look who showed up. Sheesh. Oh my goodness, bro. Sick ass fool. Position. Here, you can record it.
I don't know if you want to record.
That one, right?
Yeah, so this one is for my turbo. And then where's the other one at? Oh, there. So I got one tube right here. This tube right here goes to the boost fucking, what is that shit again? The gauge, I'm sorry, my boost gauge.
And it tees off, or?
It's a tube, yeah, so it connects to my my intake, the upper intake. And then this tube right here, it connects to the upper intake as well. But I don't have a map sensor. Mine's integrated in the ECU. Oh. So it has direct readings like right away. So this connects to the ECU.
Alright guys, damn, look at 260 fucking truck. The homie just came up. We're gonna go riding. We're gonna go somewhere. Same setup. Dude, look at this. I want these wheels, dude. I'm gonna get these wheels. But yeah, we're gonna go get some POV footage. Bro, COVID has taken over all of our lives. Instead of the, you know, the little trees, the scented ones that we used to hang right here, now it's fucking mass. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is that a tome? Alright guys, he's gonna go record some POV footage. I'm gonna tag along, record some of my footage too. Oh my goodness, must be nice. Must be nice. That's dope. That's dope as hell. Do one more, bro. Come on. Are you gonna do another one or no? Let's get it. Oh, okay. Oh, the sun, bro. Guys, can you imagine just whoosh, whoosh. Just imagine my car turbo, bro. Jeez. Bro, I'm driving behind this fool, and damn, the amount of exhaust smell I smell. Does that even make sense? The amount of smog, I don't know. The point is, my eyes burn because of this was gas. It says no dumping, but I'm about to dump the clutch, you know, like whah. Bro, imagine owning all of this and then turn it into like a drift track. That'll be dope. Oh, we taking the back streets right now. Taking the back road. Why have I never found this road before? These roads are sick. We just stopped by right here at a random warehouse. I had to wash my car really fast. Not too bad. When I wash my car, guys, I never touch it.
My bad.
Is that a Tome, dog? Hell yeah, that's tight. Fat old tires. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention it earlier on in the video, but thank you guys so much for I forgot to mention it earlier on in the video, but thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. Guys, we're slowly growing. I know I haven't been consistent at all, I know I'm a bad YouTuber, vlogger person. I'm sorry guys, but hopefully I got a lot of stuff coming. I got a lot of stuff coming for the channel, for the car. You guys are gonna be excited. A little celebratorial pull for 2K subscribers. Jeez, that felt strong. Pretty soon, guys, instead of hearing this, it's gonna be like, you know, like just the turbo spooling up. I think that's so sick. Oh, too many dips.